Welcome to our channel. In the world of full-stack development, the game has fundamentally changed. The days of grinding out every line of boilerplate code are over, replaced by a revolutionary workflow known as vibe coding. It's all about translating your app idea directly into a functional, clean codebase by simply guiding an AI assistant. In today's video, we're diving deep to bring you the 9 best vibe coding AI tools available right now that are essential for building high-quality, full-stack applications faster than ever before. We'll break down what makes each tool a powerhouse, from real-time code generation and debugging to complete project scaffolding, helping you choose the perfect AI partner for your next project. But before we unlock this list and jump into the future of coding, please take a second to hit those buttons. Like this video, leave us a comment with your favorite AI coding tool, share this with your developer friends, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. You'll find all the links to these tools neatly organized in the description below. Now, let's get started and level up your development workflow. Number 9. Firebase Studio. This incredible tool, a cloud-based development environment by Google, is essentially the ultimate sandbox for the beginner full-stack developer. Forget the days of tedious setup, installing Node, Python, setting up a database, and struggling with a local environment. With Firebase Studio, you start developing right away in your web browser. It comes preloaded with everything you need: a powerful code editor, a functional terminal, and deep access to all the crucial backend services that Firebase provides, like databases and user authentication. It removes the biggest hurdles for anyone new to coding, letting you focus entirely on your app's logic and features. The real magic for vibe coding beginners is the app prototyping agent, powered by Google's Gemini AI. To build your entire application, both the visible frontend and the functional backend, you simply describe what you want in plain English. The AI then takes that prompt and generates a complete, working blueprint and the initial codebase for you. This means you don't have to be a master of React, Node.js, or Cloud Functions. The AI handles the complex syntax and architecture, giving you a massive head start on your project. Finally, taking your app from an idea to a live product is incredibly simple. Because Firebase Studio is already integrated with Google's cloud infrastructure, you don't need to worry about complex server setup or command line deployment. Once your prototype is ready, there's a simple publish button right inside the interface. This single click deploys your full-stack application instantly to Firebase App Hosting, making it accessible to anyone in the world via a public URL. This streamlined flow from idea to code to live deployment makes Firebase Studio a groundbreaking entry point for beginners looking to build and share real-world, full-stack applications with minimal friction. Number 8. Rocket.new. It is an AI-powered development platform that acts as your personal co-pilot for building full-stack web and mobile applications incredibly fast, often with no coding required. It's the ultimate beginner-friendly tool because it completely bypasses the complex, time-consuming setup process, no local installs, no environment configuration, and no need to handwrite boilerplate code. You start simply by visiting the website and expressing your app idea in plain English, like asking, "Create a task management dashboard with a user login." Rocket takes your prompt and handles everything, designing the UI, setting up the database structure, and writing the code for both the front-end and back-end simultaneously. The true power for beginners lies in the natural language-driven development and its instant full-stack generation. When you provide a prompt, Rocket doesn't just create a static mockup. It builds a fully functional, production-ready application complete with a backend, database schemas, and user authentication already configured. If you're a designer, you can even upload a Figma link, and Rocket will convert that visual design into clean, working code for a web or mobile app using frameworks like React or Flutter. This means you go from an idea or a design to a working app in minutes, not weeks, allowing you to focus on the what rather than the how. Deployment is equally simple and a massive win for beginners. Once you're happy with the generated and refined app, there's a one-click Publish button. Rocket handles all the deployment pipeline, hosting the web application instantly on their cloud infrastructure via Netlify. For mobile apps, it generates the code like a Flutter build that you can preview or compile. This seamless, integrated flow allows you to rapidly launch your app live on the web to gather user feedback immediately. By eliminating setup, scaffolding, and deployment complexity, Rocket.new allows entrepreneurs, students, and new developers to rapidly prototype and ship real products effortlessly. Number 7. Zoa AI. It is a cutting-edge all-in-one AI platform designed to be an entire development team in a single tool, making full-stack application creation profoundly simple for beginners. It operates on the concept of vibe coding, where you translate your abstract app idea into a concrete, functional reality just by describing it in natural language. Unlike basic website builders, Zoa tackles the entire stack. It doesn't just create the visual front end. It instantly generates the essential backend architecture, including the database, user authentication, and API logic. all from a single text prompt. This is a game changer for new users who want to build complex apps like a CRM, a dashboard, or a marketplace without writing a single line of complex database or server code. The platform provides exceptional control through an AI copilot, allowing you to continuously refine your application in a conversational manner. Once Zoar generates the initial app, you can use simple chat commands. The AI processes these requests, updates the database schema, modifies the front-end components, and regenerates the underlying code automatically. Furthermore, Zoar is designed to be a complete ecosystem. It allows you to upload images or Figma designs to guide the UI's look and feel, and it automatically manages a built-in, scalable database so you never have to worry about complex server setup. Deployment is the final, effortless step in the Zoar workflow. Since the entire application front-end, back-end, and database is hosted within the integrated Zoar environment, deploying the final product is as easy as clicking the Deploy button. The platform handles all the technical operations, building the code, creating the necessary deployment files, and provisioning the hosting to make your app live and accessible via a public URL worldwide. For the ambitious beginner, Zoar even offers the unique ability to publish and sell your finished application on the Zoar community marketplace, allowing you to go from an initial idea to a live, potentially monetized product in a single streamlined session. Number 6. Base44. Base44 is an AI-powered software development platform that allows anyone, even those with zero coding experience, to create full-stack web applications by simply using natural language prompts. Its core philosophy is everything included and protected, which means it gives you an all-in-one ecosystem where the heavy technical lifting is completely automated. You can describe your dream app, say, a customer portal, an internal tool for your business, or a reporting dashboard, and the AI will instantly generate the necessary front-end, the back-end logic, and the secure data structure for you. This focus on building the app from the data structure up ensures that your application is scalable, secure, and ready for real-world use right from the start. For the beginner, Base44 is exceptionally easy to use because it removes the need to juggle multiple services. It comes with its own built-in back-end infrastructure, which includes an integrated database, user authentication, file storage, and APIs, all configured automatically. To build your app, you start with a clear prompt, and Base44 produces a working version that you can immediately interact with. If you need to make changes, you don't write code, you talk to the AI. This conversational refinement process allows you to iterate and polish your application until it perfectly matches your vision, all within a single, unified interface. Deploying your full-stack application with Base44 is nearly instantaneous. Because the platform provides its own built-in hosting on enterprise-grade infrastructure, there is no complicated deployment process involving servers, configuration, or security certificates. The moment you are happy with your app and click the Publish button, it is live, secured, and accessible on a shareable URL. You can also easily connect a custom domain right within the Base44 dashboard. This seamless one-click launch capability makes Base44 an excellent choice for first-time builders and entrepreneurs who need to quickly create and launch a minimum viable product. Number 5. V0. It is an AI-powered web development assistant from Vercel, the company behind the popular Next.js framework. It specializes in rapidly turning your ideas, expressed in natural language, into production-ready front-end components. For a beginner, this means you can simply describe the user interface you want and V0 will instantly generate clean, reusable code using the latest web technologies like React and Tailwind CSS. The platform is like having a co-pilot that can quickly handle the initial visual design and layout, allowing you to focus your energy on the unique functionality and logic of your application. While V0 excels at the front end, it also provides a clear path for beginners to create a full-stack application by addressing the backend. Since V0 is optimized for Next.js, a framework that allows you to write both front-end and back-end code within the same project, you can generate your UI with V0 and then ask it to add basic functionality. For instance, you can instruct it to add a database connection to store user signups or create a server function to handle form submission. V0 will generate the code structure for these back-end needs, often suggesting integrations with popular tools like Supabase for databases and authentication. This means you use the AI to build the visual foundation and the core logic framework, which you can then take to a full-featured code editor to complete the business logic. The deployment process is incredibly beginner-friendly, thanks to V0's tight integration with its parent company, Vercel. Once you have a working application built with V0, you can export the code to your GitHub repository. From there, you can connect your repository to the Vercel platform. With just a few clicks, Vercel will automatically detect your project, build it, and deploy it to a global content delivery network, instantly making your app live on the internet with a unique URL. This seamless, prompt-to-live workflow eliminates all the manual steps of setting up servers, configurations, and deployment pipelines, allowing a beginner to launch a beautiful, scalable full-stack application with minimal technical overhead. Number 4. Bolt.new. It is a revolutionary AI-powered tool that allows you to build, run, and edit entire full-stack applications directly in your web browser with zero setup. For a beginner, this is a massive advantage because you completely skip the complicated initial steps of installing software, configuring your development environment, and managing dependencies on your own computer. You simply open the Bolt.new website, and you have an integrated development environment ready to go, complete with a file editor, a live preview, and a terminal. The core magic lies in its AI agent. You describe your app idea in plain English, and the AI immediately generates the entire project structure and the initial codebase. Bolt.new is uniquely powerful for building a full-stack application because it doesn't just generate the front end, it also creates the working backend. The AI uses advanced technology to run a complete Node.js server environment right inside your browser tab, meaning it can instantly set up the code for your app's logic, like handling user signups or saving data. It often integrates with tools like Supabase to give you a pre-wired, production-ready database and authentication system. As a beginner, you don't have to manually connect these complex services. You can continually chat with the AI to refine your app, and the AI will implement the change across both the front-end and back-end code instantly. The final step of deployment is a one-click process that makes your application live on the internet in seconds. Bolt.new offers its own built-in hosting, so when you are happy with your creation, you just hit the Publish button. The platform handles all the technical infrastructure and provides you with a shareable URL immediately. This entire workflow, from having a thought to running a live, full-stack application with user accounts and a database, is dramatically compressed. By removing the need for a local setup, eliminating the boilerplate code, and simplifying deployment, Bolt.new truly empowers a beginner to focus entirely on their app idea and see it come to life faster than ever before. Number 3. Replit. Replit is a popular and powerful online integrated development environment that is an absolute game-changer for beginners who want to build and deploy full-stack applications. The main appeal is that it runs entirely in your web browser, meaning you never have to install complex software like programming languages, code editors, or package managers on your own computer. You can create a new project known as a replace in over 50 programming languages instantly. For a beginner, this eliminates the most frustrating part of learning to code, the initial setup. With a single click, you get a complete workspace that includes a code editor, a file tree, and a terminal, allowing you to start coding your application immediately. Creating a full-stack application on Replit is made easy through its templates and its powerful AI assistant, Replit Agent. Instead of having to set up the front end and the back end separately, you can simply choose a full-stack template like Node.js with React to get a project with both sides already wired together. Even better, you can use the Replit Agent. By describing the app you want, and the AI will generate the initial code for both your front-end interface and the back-end server that handles the data. This means you can focus on the application's features and your learning, letting the AI handle the boilerplate setup and configurations that typically overwhelm a new programmer. The final step of deployment is remarkably seamless, taking your application from a coding project to a live website accessible by anyone on the internet in just a few clicks. Every time you run your code on Replit, it is essentially running on a secure server in the cloud, and the platform offers dedicated deployment options. For a beginner, the auto-scale deployment option is perfect. Replit takes care of all the hosting and server management, automatically scaling the resources to handle traffic as your app grows. Once deployed, Replit gives you a permanent, public URL for your app, allowing you to share your finished full-stack creation instantly with friends, recruiters, or the world, completing the entire development cycle without ever leaving your browser. Number 2. Cursor AI. It is a cutting-edge code editor that is essentially the familiar environment of Visual Studio Code supercharged with a deep, integrated layer of artificial intelligence. Unlike simple AI tools that just suggest the next line of code, Cursor is built to understand your entire project, the file structure, your coding style, and the overall goals of your application. This makes it feel less like a tool and more like an extremely smart pair programmer sitting right next to you. For a beginner, this is revolutionary because it removes the steep learning curve associated with modern full-stack development. Instead of getting stuck on an error or a confusing configuration, you can simply press a shortcut and ask the AI in plain English. To easily create a full-stack application, Cursor leverages this deep understanding to help you build both the front end and the back end. You can start by telling the AI a high-level goal. The AI will then suggest a plan, create the necessary folders and files, and start writing the code that connects them. The beauty of Cursor is its contextual awareness. When you ask it to connect the sign-up form to the database, it knows exactly which files to change across your entire project, showing you the proposed changes before you accept them. This guided process significantly speeds up development and helps you learn by seeing how a complete, well-structured application is put together. While Cursor AI is primarily an editor that runs on your desktop, making your code locally, it works seamlessly with the tools needed to deploy your full-stack application. Deployment means taking the code and putting it live on the internet so others can use it. Cursor helps you with this by generating the specific configuration files and commands required by major hosting services like Vercel or Netlify. You can use the built-in AI chat feature and simply ask, "How do I deploy this next.js app to Vercel?" And it will instantly provide the step-by-step instructions, including the exact terminal commands and any configuration files you need to set up. By using its intelligence to bridge the gap between writing the code and hosting it, Cursor transforms the often challenging deployment process into a simple, AI-assisted task. Number 1. Lovable.dev. It is a revolutionary AI-powered platform that lets anyone, even a complete beginner, create a fully working website or mobile application using simple, plain English instructions. Unlike traditional coding, which requires you to learn complex programming languages and frameworks, Lovable operates on a chat-to-app model. You simply type a description of what you want to build, and the AI handles all the complex code generation. This eliminates the need to deal with confusing setup, configuration files, and initial boilerplate code, allowing you to instantly jump from a raw idea to a functional visual preview right in your browser. It's like having a dedicated development team that instantly responds to your creative commands. To build a full-stack application, meaning an app with both a user interface and a working database, Lovable uses powerful, professional tools under the hood. For the visual part, it generates clean code using popular technologies like React. For the backend, it integrates seamlessly with services like Supabase. As a beginner, you don't need to know how to write the complicated code to connect these two. You can simply prompt the AI, add user login and sign-up functionality, and create a database table to save user tasks, and Lovable will set up the entire system for you, including the database structure and the secure authentication flows. You see the changes instantly in a live preview, allowing you to iteratively refine your app by simply chatting with the AI. Making your application live on the internet is also handled with incredible simplicity. Because Lovable is designed to build real applications, it has a one-click publish feature. Once you are happy with your app, you simply click the Publish button and Lovable instantly deploys your full-stack creation to a live URL that anyone can visit. For those who want more control or want to continue working on the app outside the platform, Lovable also integrates with GitHub. This means you can export the clean, organized codebase generated by the AI to your own GitHub account. This gives you full ownership of the code and makes it easy to collaborate with other developers or use other deployment platforms like Vercel whenever you are ready to scale up your project. And that's a wrap-up of 9 best vibe coding AI tools for building full-stack apps. We've explored a new era of software development where you can build entire applications, complete with a beautiful front-end, powerful back-end logic, and a connected database, just by describing your vision in plain English. Tools like Lovable.dev and Cursor AI act as an intelligent co-pilot, translating your idea into real, clean code and handling all the tedious setup and configuration that used to be a major hurdle for beginners. Whether you're a non-coder trying to launch a startup idea or a seasoned developer looking to skip the boilerplate, these platforms are fundamentally changing how quickly you can bring an idea to life. The shift to vibe coding means the biggest barrier to building a full-stack application is no longer complex technical knowledge, but simply having a clear plan for your project. With AI managing everything from authentication flows to generating deployment scripts, your focus is free to stay on the user experience and the core business logic. We highly encourage you to check out the tools we covered today. You'll find direct links to all of them in the description below. You might be surprised at how quickly you can go from an idea to a fully functional, deployed web application. If you found this video helpful or learned about a new tool, please show your support. Hit the like button to help this video reach more creators. Comment below with which AI tool you're most excited to try first, and share this with anyone who wants to build an app but doesn't know where to start. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of coding and AI development. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.